Activity 2.
Listen to the following story.
A dialogue within a dialogue. Dhanush and Raghav are best friends. They are studying in class 8th. Like you. Today is Sunday and both are on the playground. Raghav, I'm hungry. Let's go to my uncle's home. It's just next to the street, said Dhanush. Yeah, I know. Even I remember the taste of your uncle's dish. Really, Dhanush, he is a very good cook. Raghav replied. They were on their way to Dhanush's uncle's home. They went past a tea stall. Radio Bhindi was on. Save money with our bank and secure your future. Such was an announcement on Radio Bhindi. Raghav, I want to open an account in a bank, said Dhanush. Why? Raghav asked. Because I have saved some pocket money. I want to deposit it. It's a good idea. I also want an account to be opened. We will go together, Dhanush said. Do you know the address of the bank? Asked Raghav. No, but my father has an account with the bank. He added, it is a nationalized bank. Fine, then when shall we go there? Raghav asked. We shall go there on next Tuesday. Dhanush replied. But who will help us in opening an account? Raghav asked. My uncle will come with us. Dhanush said. They enter the house. Uncle Manubhai was reading the newspaper. Hello, Uncle. We want an account to be opened with a bank. We need your help, Dhanush said. Sure, I will help you. I will also come with you to the bank, said Manubhai. After some time, Raghav switched on the television. There was an announcement on the screen. Donate O positive blood immediately. Contact 0383 8389 555. What is O positive, uncle? Dhanush asked. It is the name of a blood group, said Manubhai. Why do they need blood, uncle? Asked Dhanush. Perhaps someone needs it. There may be a surgery, said Manubhai. But uncle, why don't you help them? Raghav asked. No, I cannot. Because my blood group is B positive. Uncle replied. Uncle, now this is the time for our cartoon show. Raghav and I never miss it. Can we watch it? Said Dhanush. Of course. In the meanwhile, I will prepare some snacks for both of you. Uncle, you are such a caring person, Raghav said. Both the boys watched the cartoon show. The show ended and Manubhai came with the snacks. Did you enjoy the cartoon show? Uncle asked. Yes, we did. Here are your snacks. Have them and tell me how they are. Delicious, as always, both said after tasting the snacks. Thank you, my children. Enjoy the snacks. I read the newspaper. Manubhai reads the newspaper. Hey boys, here is some interesting news for you, said Manubhai. What is it? Dhanush asked. Read it yourself, replied Manubhai. Both read an advertisement. Wow! This is an attractive event, Dhanush. Will you participate? Raghav asked. Sure. What about you? Dhanush said. I shall also participate. Raghav said.